Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove blank or empty cells in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Take a look at here. I have some data in these cells and there are lots of empty cells in between and I want to remove them. To do that, let's click at here, find and select. Click on the down arrow. Now select go to special. Now select the blanks, click OK. Now all of the blank cells are selected. Just right click on any empty cell, click on the delete, shift cells up, click OK. See, all of the empty cells are deleted and the data has been moved up. That's what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe. And special announcement, we have just started a VBA course, Excel VBA programming course. If you are interested, check out the playlist. Thank you.